Go for it.
I'm Ian.
I'm Lafayette.
So we built a basically automated retrofit shade system. So it kind of duplicates the functionality of a commercial automated shade, but it's designed to be attached to a pre-existing shade system.
It also allows the users to actually control brightness levels, so they wouldn't have to worry about manually controlling the shades. So it adjusts the brightness, trying to make sure that more light comes from the ambient environment rather than the electricity, as we are energy efficient, or trying to be.
All right, so over here we have our control system. So we have buttons. It's kind of hard to see because I have to hold these on the wall. But so these allow for manual control of each axis, and then there's a motor that controls basically the rotation of the blinds and the movement of the blinds. So we've already calibrated the system so it knows where the endpoints of the shade travel are. So it just moves to those endpoints and then won't move anymore. Calibration is done by essentially automatically moving the shade until it stops to move. It detects a jam and then sets the endpoint.
Okay.
And now we'll head over to the lighting control area. And so this is our lighting control system, which allows you to increase brightness, decrease brightness, adjust the light. Right now we have light. Basically, we have LED representing the light of the system, and so we're going to try and send a command to the lighting, to the shades, and see what happens. So that was. Oh, hung up again. Ian, could you press? And
You can lift the bowl up.
so now I'll try.
Lift the bowl up. Bring water out.
And basically, you can configure it that was in manual mode, and you can also configure to use ambient light to detect whether or not the shade should be open. But as soon as you switch to manual mode, it switches over so that the lighting does not affect what you have preset for the control.
Okay. And do you want to mention just how you're communicating?
Sure. So we're communicating using two ESP modules, one here and one over there. It's based off of an ad hoc network access point, which is set up by the computer over there. And this module, ESP, acts as a server for the client over there at the shade control, and they communicate using radio frequency. And basically what this module does is sends commands to that module based off what the settings are and what the user requires, and that module communicates back once it has either stopped or it has changed into manual mode or something of the sort, just to make sure that we can make sure that the commands from here don't get misinterpreted if the commands from if the shades are set by the box over there.
All right. Thank you.